Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to learn about arithmetic operators in SQL. From simple addition to complex mathematical expressions, we'll uncover how these operators can supercharge your queries and unleash the true power of a database. Arithmetic operators in SQL are symbols or keywords used to perform mathematical operations on numeric values within SQL queries. The main arithmetic operators in SQL include addition, adding of two numeric values together, subtraction, subtracting one numeric value from another, multiplication, multiplies two numeric values together, division, divides one numeric value by another, modulus, returns the remainder of a division operation. These operators can be used in select statements, where clauses, and other parts of SQL queries to manipulate numeric data stored in a database. They allow for calculations and transformations to be performed on data directly within SQL queries, making them essential tools for data analysis and manipulation. Now, let's look at some example. Now, let's look at an example of arithmetic operators with the select statement. Now, if you want to find the sum of two numbers, say 2 and 3, we can write select 2 plus 3. And if we run this, you will get the value as 5. Now you can see that the column name is coming as 2 plus 3. Now if you want to give an alias for it, we can write as summation and then run it again. And now you can see that the column name has changed to summation. Similarly, if you want to find the difference of two numbers, say 5 and 2, we can write 5 minus 2, and let's change the name to difference. And we see that we get the difference of the two numbers, that is 3. Similarly, for multiply, if we just write this and change the name to product and run it, you'll find the product of the two numbers, that is 10. Now if you want to find the value of 10 by 2, and let's give the name as division, you see we get the value as 5. Now if you want to find the remainder of 17 divided by 2, we can write 17 modulus 2, and let's change the name to remainder and then run. And you can see that when we divide 17 by 2, we get the remainder as 1. So this is how you can use these arithmetic operators in the select statement. Now let's look at few more examples where we will be using these arithmetic operators with tables. So this is a table which has ID, name and salary. Now if you want to add one more column called new salary, which has the current salary value plus 500, how can we do it? So after the star mark, let's write comma. What is the name of the column? It's salary plus 500. And if we now run it, now we can see that we are getting a new column where we have the new salary, which is 500 added to the previous value. Let's change the name as new salary and then run it again. Yeah, now that looks better. Similarly, if you want to deduct 500 from the previous salary, just replace the sign by minus and then run. Now you can see that the new salary column has a new value which is 500 deducted from the original value. Now, instead of salary, if we want to multiply 10 with all the ID numbers, how can we do it? So remove the salary column. We can select the previous ID, then ID into 10 as new ID, comma, name, comma, salary, and remove this and then run. And now you can see that the new ID column has been added here, which is multiplied by 10. Now, if you want to reduce the salary by 1/10, how can we do it? Similarly, like the previous way, first let's remove this, comma, salary divided by 10 as new salary, and then let's hit run. And now you can see that 1/10 of the salary has been removed. Now coming to modulus. If you want to display only the values where the ID number is even, how can we do it? We know that if a number is divisible by 2, that is, if a number is divided by 2 and the remainder is 0, that number is an even number. So what we can do is, we can write select star from employees, that is the table name. Now the condition where ID modulus 2 is equal to 0. And now if we run it, now you can see that it is showing us all the data entries where the ID is even. So these are few examples to demonstrate how you can use the arithmetic operators in SQL in the select and where statements. With this, we come to the end of this video. From simple addition to complex mathematical expressions, these operators enable users to perform calculations directly with SQL queries, unlocking new possibilities for data analysis and transformation. By mastering arithmetic operators, SQL enthusiasts can elevate their skills and efficiently work with numerical data in diverse database environments. So, keep exploring, keep practicing, and harness the full potential of SQL arithmetic operators in your data endeavors. Until next time, see you.